Don't you worry. I'll be back before dinner.
Just drop the underwear and leave.
You don't decide what happens in the wall anymore, the Duke. The people do. And we've decided it's time for you to go!
Oh my God! Did they light their underpants on fire?
We gotta go!
Molly! A little further. Come on, Molly. Push! Molly, push!
We have to seal it off! Everyone will drown!
No! Please! Not yet! Molly, what are you doing?
Damn it, man!
No! Not the mouths! Molly!